In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with Santander UK Mobile Online, the 2025 guide. This process is straightforward, but we'll make sure to cover every detail so you feel confident booking your appointment. First, we'll begin by heading to Santander Bank's official website, so make sure you have your device ready with a stable internet connection and open your web browser. Once you're on the Santander Bank homepage, you'll need to scroll down until you find a section titled Let's Meet in Person. This section is your go-to for initiating the appointment scheduling process. When you spot the Let's Meet in Person section, you'll see a Book Now option right next to it. Go ahead and click on that. This click will take you to the booking page, which is designed to help you navigate your appointment preferences efficiently. Next, you'll be asked to choose the service you wish to schedule the appointment for. A range of services may be available, so select the one that best fits your needs, whether it's a financial review, mortgage consultation, or any other service offered. With your service chosen, the next step is to identify a convenient location. To do this, you'll enter your city, state, or postal code, which will help you find branches nearby. If you have a specific branch in mind, feel free to enter that information instead. Once you've entered this information, you'll see a list of branches. Take a moment to browse through the options and choose a branch that is most convenient for you. After selecting your preferred branch, the next thing you'll want to do is click Select. This will confirm the location where your appointment will take place. Now it's time to select an available date. Look through the calendar provided and pick a date that suits your schedule. Similarly, you'll also need to choose an available time slot. The calendar will display available times, so select the one that fits into your schedule. Once you've chosen the date and time, click on Next to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to input your personal information. Ensure you fill in all required fields accurately to avoid any issues later on. Additionally, under Additional Information, specify the particular topic or reason for your appointment. This helps the bank prepare accordingly. You'll also need to check the box to agree to the privacy policy. It's important to ensure you've understood the terms before proceeding. Once you're satisfied, click Next again. Before finalizing your booking, you'll get a chance to double check all the details you've entered. Make sure everything is correct before clicking Confirm. Finally, you'll receive a confirmation. It might come via email, or you could get a message through the Santander app or online banking system detailing your appointment time and location. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled an appointment with Santander Bank. If anything changes, keep your confirmation details handy for rescheduling or cancellation.